Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful couture bracelets using tin cans as the base. Now, if Andy Warhol can make a tin can fashionable, so can we. We're using PRECIOSA cup chain from John Bead, and we're putting it all together with E6000 glue and some enchanted shimmer from DecoArt. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some couture bracelets. You might think the tin can base is flimsy, but fear not, fashionistas. It won't be when you add the leather and the embellishments. If you don't have leather, consider using vinyl. You just have to paint it black with DecoArt Stylin' paint and add the shimmer or the enchanted shimmer, and it will look just the same. E6000 Plus is flexible when it dries, so it's perfect for a project like this. The Campbell's Soup Company opened in 1869 in Camden, New Jersey, and in 1900 a can of Campbell's tomato soup cost 5 cents. Recently, Andy Warhol's painting of a Campbell's soup can sold for $11.7 million. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project. Make sure to check out John Bead. They have tons of beautiful rhinestones, PRECIOSA banding in tons of different colors, and gobs of beads for all of your jewelry projects. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I'm going to leave a link to those down there as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.